Against the infinite blackness of space, a single point of light catches the eye, a perfect sphere of blue and white, suspended in the cosmic void. This is Earth, our living planet, rotating majestically in its eternal dance around the sun. Swirling white clouds paint ever-changing patterns across its surface, while beneath them, the deep blues of vast oceans and the rich greens and browns of continents create a marble of incomparable beauty. As the sun rises over Earth's curved horizon, its light catches our planet's atmosphere, creating a brilliant arc of electric blue. This thin layer of air, barely visible from space, is our first line of defense against the harsh vacuum beyond a protective shield that has nurtured life for billions of years. Descending through layers of luminous clouds, we witness Earth's weather systems in motion. Massive hurricane systems spiral like celestial pinwheels across ocean surfaces. Lightning flashes illuminate storm clouds from within, while rivers of air, the jet streams, flow invisibly above, directing the planet's weather patterns like unseen conductors of a grand atmospheric orchestra. Our planet's story begins at its heart, a molten core of iron and nickel that generates Earth's protective magnetic field. Like a vast planetary shield, this invisible force extends far into space, deflecting dangerous solar radiation and protecting our atmosphere from being stripped away. This magnetic armor, born from the endless churning of molten metal in Earth's outer core, creates a protective bubble that has helped preserve our world's atmosphere and oceans for billions of years. Above this dynamic core, Earth's mantle drives the endless dance of plate tectonics. Massive crustal plates float on the semi-liquid mantle, moving in a slow but constant ballet that shapes our world. Where plates collide, mountains rise toward the sky like giant wrinkles in Earth's skin. Where they separate, new crust forms from upwelling magma, creating vast underwater mountain ranges in the ocean depths. This perpetual movement recycles minerals and gases, helps regulate our planet's temperature, and creates the diverse landscapes we see today. Earth stands unique in our solar system as the only planet where water exists simultaneously in all three states. Vast oceans cover more than 2/3 of our world's surface, acting as a global thermostat that helps regulate climate. Ocean currents flow like great underwater rivers, carrying heat from the equator toward the poles in an endless cycle. In the atmosphere, water vapor forms clouds that distribute this precious resource across continents, while at the poles, ice caps reflect excess solar radiation back into space, helping maintain Earth's perfect temperature balance. Unlike the toxic clouds of Venus or the thin wisps of Mars, Earth's atmosphere contains the perfect mixture of gases for life. Multiple layers work in concert: the troposphere where weather occurs, the stratosphere housing our protective ozone layer, and the upper atmosphere where aurora displays paint the sky with curtains of light. This atmospheric shield not only protects us from harmful radiation but also creates the conditions necessary for life to flourish. Life itself has transformed Earth into a living planet. The delicate balance of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases in the atmosphere owes much to the tiny organisms that first filled Earth's oceans billions of years ago. Cyanobacteria, through the process of photosynthesis, began releasing oxygen into the atmosphere, eventually creating an environment where complex life could thrive. This partnership between life and Earth continues today, as plants, animals, and microbes participate in the grand cycles of carbon, nitrogen, and water that sustain life. These cycles connect every aspect of Earth's systems in a delicate web. Rain falls from clouds to nourish plants, which release oxygen into the air. Rivers carry nutrients to the seas, feeding vast ecosystems that depend on the sunlit waters near the surface. The remains of ancient organisms become fossil fuels, storing energy from a distant past. And deep beneath Earth's crust, subducting plates release carbon dioxide, replenishing the atmosphere and ensuring the planet's cycles remain unbroken. When we look outward to our neighboring planets, the uniqueness of Earth becomes even more apparent. Mars, with its desolate, rocky surface, was once thought to harbor oceans and perhaps life, but its thin atmosphere and weak magnetic field allowed most of its water to escape into space. Venus, shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, offers a glimpse into a runaway greenhouse effect, where temperatures soar high enough to melt lead. In stark contrast, Earth's balance of life-supporting conditions stands as a testament to the extraordinary interplay of its systems. Modern technology has deepened our understanding of these processes. Satellites orbiting Earth track the movements of hurricanes, monitor melting ice caps, and measure rising sea levels. Advanced sensors reveal the effects of human activities on the planet, from deforestation to the buildup of greenhouse gases. This unprecedented view of our world brings with it both awe and responsibility. Human impact on Earth has grown exponentially in recent centuries. The burning of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere at a rate far beyond the planet's natural ability to absorb it. Deforestation, industrial agriculture, and pollution threaten biodiversity and disrupt delicate ecosystems. Yet, solutions are within our grasp. Renewable energy sources, sustainable agriculture, and conservation efforts offer a pathway toward a future where humanity lives in harmony with Earth's natural rhythms. The benefits of Earth's systems to humanity are immense and often go unnoticed. The planet's atmosphere provides the air we breathe, while its oceans offer an endless source of food and regulate the climate to sustain agriculture and human life. Forests act as natural air purifiers, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Wetlands protect coastal areas from storm surges and flooding, while mountain ranges capture moisture from the air, forming rivers that provide fresh water for millions. Earth's biodiversity has also given humanity invaluable resources. From medicinal plants used to develop life-saving drugs to the genetic diversity of crops that ensure food security, the natural world sustains human innovation and survival. The energy stored in fossil fuels, though finite, has powered technological advancements that have transformed societies. Renewable resources, like wind, solar, and hydroenergy, hold the promise of a sustainable future, ensuring that Earth's gifts can benefit generations to come. Education and awareness are key to fostering a global commitment to sustainability. By understanding the interconnected nature of Earth's systems, we can make informed decisions that benefit both humanity and the planet. From reducing waste to supporting renewable energy, every action counts. Looking to the stars, we see a universe filled with possibilities. Yet, there is no place like Earth. The search for life on other planets only underscores the rarity and preciousness of our home. As we venture into space, let us carry with us the lessons learned on Earth: the importance of balance, resilience, and stewardship. The future is not written. It is ours to shape. Together, we can build a world that honors the beauty and complexity of Earth, a world where humanity thrives in harmony with nature. The story of Earth is our story, a shared narrative of wonder, challenge, and hope. Let us ensure it continues, shining brightly in the vastness of space, a testament to the power of life and the possibility of a sustainable future. But Earth's beauty and intricacy do not just exist to be admired. Every mountain, river, and forest tells a story of time, of forces working in harmony or conflict. The Himalayas, for instance, continue to rise today as the Indian plate pushes against the Eurasian plate. The Grand Canyon reveals layer upon layer of Earth's geological history, carved by the Colorado River over millions of years. Every grain of sand on a beach or rock in a riverbed carries a history of transformation, molded by water, wind, and time. The intricate web of ecosystems on Earth is a living network where each part supports the other. Tropical rainforests, often called the lungs of the planet, play a critical role in absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Coral reefs, though covering less than 1% of the ocean floor, support 25% of all marine species, providing shelter, food, and breeding grounds. Wetlands act as natural water filters, trapping pollutants and providing a buffer against flooding. These interconnected systems demonstrate the extraordinary balance that sustains life. Even in the darkest depths of the ocean, life finds a way. Hydrothermal vents, where superheated water rich in minerals escapes from the Earth's crust, teem with unique organisms that rely on chemosynthesis rather than sunlight. These ecosystems, thriving in conditions once thought impossible, highlight the resilience and adaptability of life. Humanity has reached a pivotal point in its relationship with Earth. As the dominant species, our actions have consequences that ripple across the planet. The melting of polar ice caps due to global warming is causing sea levels to rise, threatening coastal communities and habitats. Plastic pollution in the oceans affects marine life, from microscopic plankton to the largest whales. The loss of biodiversity is not just a loss for nature but a threat to the intricate systems that we rely upon. Yet, hope lies in action. Across the globe, individuals and communities are taking steps to protect the environment. Reforestation projects are restoring ecosystems and drawing down atmospheric carbon. Innovations in clean energy, such as solar, wind, and geothermal power, are reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Conservation efforts are saving endangered species and protecting critical habitats. Advances in technology, such as precision agriculture and vertical farming, promise to feed a growing population while reducing environmental impact. Education and awareness are key to fostering a global commitment to sustainability. By understanding the interconnected nature of Earth's systems, we can make informed decisions that benefit both humanity and the planet. From reducing waste to supporting renewable energy, every action counts. Looking to the stars, we see a universe filled with possibilities. Yet, there is no place like Earth. The search for life on other planets only underscores the rarity and preciousness of our home.